And I'm back, and what I got here today is an old Parks planer. I'll show you under the cover here. And there's a look down inside the gearbox. And you can see there's been a little bit of water getting into this. You can see it's kind of milky, but there's still enough oil there that protected the gears. And you see when you turn the shaft, everything rolls in there. And there's an engagement lever here on the side. So basically I believe that out like that is disengaged and in is engaged. And when it's engaged like that, it'll turn this chain that turns your feed rollers. There's a toothed one here and a smooth one back here. And there's a bed adjustment. There's a lever for the height of the bed. And other than that, I don't have a lot of history on this. It's probably 1940s. 1940s, it could be a little earlier than that, and they made them right up till the 1980s, I believe. But anyway, like I say, this has been sold. There's a fella coming to get it here in a couple hours. I thought I should have a record of it before it goes out the door. I found the motor. He was wondering if the motor was still around, and I said, no, it's been thrown out long ago. But I went and I found it in a pile of junk. It was in a leaf pile, but it's been seized for quite some time. But anyway, he gets the pulley. Maybe the motor can be rebuilt. I'm not sure. Plus it comes with this base that helps adjust the motor in the stand. And I got the stand over here. So here's the stand. This is upside down. And I took it off because it just, it's another 50 pounds of steel to try and manhandle it into a truck. There's where the motor goes. The motor would sit on the other side of these pieces of angle, that bracket, and then the belt would run to the side of the planer here. And this was working until a few years ago. It's a little rusty. It's sitting in this damp climate for several years. It wasn't out in the weather, but it was under this truck shelter, so it's still got a bit of moisture going on it. There's a serial number down here that's obliterated. It just doesn't seem to be there anymore. But the fellow that's coming to get it, he knows that there's a serial number, I think, cast into the frame somewhere. I'm not quite sure where. You can tell a lot about these by the shape of the cover, the age of them. Some of them come up and they're stepped, and others come down smooth like this one. So I don't know, whoever knows about these, they'd be able to know when this was made. Anyway, that's that thing. And like I say, he was wondering about the motor because of the shiv. He asked about this, the pulley, if it was anywhere around. I said, no, I think it's been gone for years. But I just went over and looked in this pile of junk, metal and stuff, and it's been outside for years, but at least you can get that off it. And the motor, you never know, it might be able to be rewound or something. And then what he's got here is he's got this base that he can, clean up if he wants, or maybe make a duplicate of it to adjust the motor under there. And there's just a quick look at this old Parks planer. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.